how to activate a Visa Vanilla gift card. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you activate a Visa Vanilla gift card. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to firstly open any browser on your system, and after opening the browser in the software you'll have to type for Vanilla, and from there you'll have to open the Vanilla gift card official website. So from this official website interface you'll have to just click on this activate your card option, so simply click on it. Alright, so now from this section you'll have to give your Visa card number here, and on the another section expiration date you'll have to give your date of expiring of that Visa cards, like in month and year, and from there you'll have to also give your CVV code here, and after you done this from here you'll have to just click on this continue option. Alright, so now from this section you can easily manage your card here, so like you can also review your balance and transaction here, like balance summary, where the card has been activated, your expiration date, original value, pending transaction, and on the other hand transactions, like you can review your all transaction with the date and description. So on the other hand you can also go the option manage pin. Okay, so now from this manage pin section you can reset your pin here, so you have to give your new pin and confirm the new pin here. So after you done that you'll have to just click on this save change option. Alright, so now on the another option replace card, after tapping on that you will get such interface. So from here you can know that if your card is lost or stolen you have to contact your customer care, just number at the back of your card, so usually you can contact from there. And that's all. This is the way to activate a Visa Vanilla gift card on your system. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.